It is raining so hard, you can barely see very far away. Wow. Now it's like we're in a tiny little village, and this is all the places that exist in the community. See, right up there, there should be all kinds of tall buildings from downtown. It's unreal. Although very refreshing, and definitely we needed this. Wonder how far we can see back that way. Yeah, nothing exists much back that way either. You can barely see across the road. Craziness. Absolute craziness. The plants are gonna love it though. Wow. But zoom, you still can't see. Everything on the other side of Bronson is pretty much just grayed out.